Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So what are the different circle drawing algorithms you all have learned? कौन सा algorithm सीखा है? Bresenham circle, is it done?
Yes.
And you have done DDA circle?
DDA and midpoint also.
Also done. किया है क्या? Is it done or not done? Students, please reply. Have you all done Bresenham's DDA in your class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So we are going to do that right now. So first we'll go through the Bresenham circle algorithm as a revision part. So this is the Bresenham circle algorithm. What does it say? That the first procedure is enter the center point. So how do you draw a circle? You put your compass in the compass. One point will be the center and other will be at the range of your radius, right? Circle कैसे draw करते हैं? Suppose you have a compass with you. How do you draw a circle? Circle कैसे draw करते हैं? Please tell me. How do you draw a circle? You start from the midpoint, right? You keep your pointer to the midpoint and you extend the compass till the radius length and then you draw a circle, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So input, first you will give the input as x0, y0, which is the center of the circle and the radius of the circle. So in the case of circle, you will give the center point and the radius. That is the two input you have to give for drawing a circle. Then what is the first step? x0 is equal to 0 and y0 is equal to r. वो कैसे? सेंटर पॉइंट में x का वैल्यू 0 होगा ना and y is the extension from the center point. So that is why y0 is put as the radius. Have you all understood that? Is it
Yes.
clear? Okay. So
Yes,
that is
ma'am.
why x0 को 0 and y0 को r किया है. Then what is the next thing you do? You calculate the initial decision parameter. What is the initial decision parameter for Bresenham circle? It is 3 minus 2r. ठीक है? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then what else you do? Suppose the current position is xk, yk. The next point you have to plot is xk plus 1 and yk plus 1. So how do you know what is yk plus 1 and xk plus 1? If the initial decision parameter is less than 0, you will increment x by 1 and y remains the same. And the next decision parameter is going to be the previous decision parameter plus 4 into x plus 6. 4x plus 6 hoga. So what is the case one? If the decision parameter was less than 0, x will be incremented by 1 and y will remain the same. And what is the next decision parameter going to be? The previous decision parameter plus 4x plus 6. Whereas if the decision parameter was greater than or equal to 0, the initial decision, the x value is going to be x plus 1 and y value is going to be yk minus 1. पहले लाइन जब सीखा था हमने y plus 1 किया, but यहाँ circle, you draw a circle and by moving it in the you move it in a clockwise direction, so yk minus 1. Okay, and pk or the next decision parameter is going to be the previous decision parameter plus 4 into x minus y plus 10. So that is the formula. Can you all see it on the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, and then Now, if the center is x0, y0, sometimes center point 0, 0 से start नहीं होगा. Sometimes it might be starting from a arbitrary point. ऐसे है तो वो arbitrary values add करना पड़ेगा. अगर x0, y0, 0, 0 नहीं है, तो you have to whatever value you get here, x and y, should be added to the center point of your circle. समझ में आया? मतलब इन सपोज योर सेंटर पॉइंट इज 2,3 इंस्टेड ऑफ 0,0. In that case 2 should be added to the x value and 3 should be added to the y value. That is what step 4 says. And step 5, you will plot, you will keep on repeating step 4 and 5 until x becomes equal to or greater than y. So that is the algorithm. Now since circle means क्या है, octet है, आप देख सकते हैं स्क्रीन पे देख सकते हैं. You have, if you plot x and y, you will get minus x and minus y by adding the or inversing the signs. Similarly, if you plot minus x, so 1 point you get, you can get all the remaining points. Do you agree with me? एक पॉइंट मिल गया, x, y मिला, तो बाकी सारे ऑक्टेट का पॉइंट्स मिल जाएंगे ना.
यस मैम.
सिर्फ साइन देखना पड़ेगा. देखो यहाँ पे एक्स वाई है, इस पॉइंट का वैल्यू x, माइनस वाई है. देन यू हैव माइनस इन द क्वाड्रेंट 3, यू हैव माइनस x माइनस y, and in quadrant 2 you have minus x and y. So if you get one point, you can symmetrically plot the other 7 points. So that is why it generates points for one octet. So for every point you have to create the other symmetrical points. So that is how the algorithm works. We can see an example here. Given the center point is 0, 0 and radius is 8. So the center coordinates of the circle x0, y0 is equal to 0, 0 and the radius 8. You have to set it like that. So that is the initial point. Next, what you do, you have to set the first point. So x value will be 0 and y value will be equal to the radius. So the first point that you're going to plot is 0, 8. तो 0,8 का सिमेट्रिक वैल्यूज क्या क्या होगा, कोई बता सकते हैं? 0,8 का अदर सिमेट्रिक पॉइंट्स क्या होगा? 0,8. Then you have 0, minus 8. Right? Can't you have minus 8?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So you have to see that. Then 8, 0 minus 8, 0. So you get all that symmetric points just with one point. Then calculate the value of initial decision parameter. तो initial decision parameter क्या है? 3 minus 2r. What is the value of r? It is 8. So the decision parameter you got is minus 13. Now you know here if it is less than 0, minus 13, pk is less than 0. So next point x value क्या होगा? अभी current value 0,8 है. So next point to be plotted, if the decision parameter is less than 0, what will it be? 0,8 है current value. So next value क्या होगा?
1,8.
It is going,
1,8.
yeah, it is going to be 1,8. Good. So that's how this is going to get calculated. So if initial is less than 0, so case 1 is satisfied. So you can see how the calculation is done and you find the next decision parameter. Next decision parameter may be minus 3 आया. So it will become 2,8. So this is how you plot the circle. Is it clear? Is it clear, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now we'll see the program. So the problem statement was Write a C++ program to draw a circle using DDA and Bresenham's circle algorithm, inherit pixel class and use function overloading. So function overloading means what? The function name will be same and the number of parameters or the type of parameters will be different. So a class called pixel is created with coordinates x and y, and then you have another class circle which is inheriting the pixel class. So that problem statement का वो portion satisfy हुआ inherit the pixel class. Then you go to the algorithm part. You can see the algorithm as we learned x is equal to 0, y is equal to r. Initial decision parameter value क्या है 3 minus 2r, line number 37 में. Then you call the draw circle function. Draw circle function is plotting all the 8 points, symmetric 8 points. You can see यहाँ पे xc plus x and yc plus y क्यों दिया है? कोई बता सकते हैं? Instead of x and y, we have put xc and yc also. Can you tell me why?
Center points.
Yeah, so if your coordinates are not 0, so anything with plus 0 or anything minus 0 is going to be remaining the same value. But if your center point is not 0, 0, it has to be adjusted accordingly. That is why the center point is added with the coordinate points. You can see it on the statements 23 to 30 तक वो वैसे है और 8 सिमेट्रिक पॉइंट्स हम प्लॉट कर रहे हैं. देखो x y minus x and y plus x and minus y minus x minus y. So like this you are plotting all the 8 symmetric points. So first point plot करने के बाद now we have to check whether y is greater than or equal to x. If only then you will execute for the next point. तो नेक्स्ट पॉइंट में क्या होगा? एज वी लर्नड इफ द एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट इज इंक्रीमेंटेड इन बोथ द केसेस, आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे दोनों कंडीशन में व्हेन द डिसीजन पैरामीटर इज लेस देन 0 और इट इज ग्रेटर देन 0, इन बोथ द केसेस एक्स वैल्यू इज गेटिंग इंक्रीमेंटेड बाय 1. सो हियर वी आर इंक्रीमेंटिंग x. Now, should we decrement y or not depends on the decision parameter. So if d is greater than 0, y is getting decremented and the next decision parameter d plus 4 into x minus y plus 10 is written. Else, if d is greater than or equal to 0, that means the y will remain the same. So there is no change in y here. Only the decision parameter is 4x plus 6. So now you got your new x and new y, and based on that you will again call the draw circle function. ठीक है? Is it clear? Algorithm समझ में आया क्या? Algorithm को directly लिखा है translate करके. So is there any doubt here? Is it clear?
प्लस 10 क्यों ऐड किया उसमें?
कहाँ पे?
वो इफ कंडीशन में प्लस 10 और एल्स में प्लस 6.
वो फॉर्मूला में है ना, देखो.
अच्छा ओके ओके ओके.
pk plus 4x plus 6 and यहाँ 4 into x minus y plus 10. ठीक है?
Yes.
कहाँ पे है मेरा? हाँ यही है ना. फाइन. सो दिस इज द कोड. समझ में आया क्या ये एल्गोरिथम ब्रेसेनहैम्स का?
यस सर.
ठीक है, तो मेन फंक्शन पहले देखते हैं. सो yes, I've created an object for the circle class. Then coordinate points दिया है 150 150. So center point 150 150 है and radius is 30. ठीक है. And what is init graph used for? Every program will see the statement. What is init graph used for?
Initialization.
Initialization of graphics. उसके अंदर arguments क्या क्या आते हैं? What are the arguments that is inside the init graph function? GDGM एम्बरसन GDGM किसके लिए है, याद है?
ड्राइवर
Yeah, one is for graphics driver and other is for graphics mode. And यहाँ पे empty bracket क्यों दिया है? empty quotes क्यों दिया है? empty string या null क्यों दिया है? कोई बता सकते हैं? Why did we put null here? See, what is the third argument? It is a path to driver. But यहाँ पे null दिया है, क्यों? See, these are the all questions that will be asked for your orals. क्यों null दिया है? Anyone has the answer? Any idea? Students say yes or no. नहीं पता? Null की यहाँ पे it is a path to the driver and if it is available in your current working directory then you give it as null. Otherwise you will give the path to your graphics driver. ठीक है? Is it clear? So why
Yes,
did
ma'am.
I give it null? Why did I give it null? अभी तो बता
पाथ डायरी में है इसके लिए.
हाँ, it is there in the same directory. That is why. Then I'm asking the user's choice. One for Brassenham circle, the other is for DDS circle. So I'll explain DDS circle, but right now Brassenham circle. The user will enter the choice here and case one. देखो दोनों functions same name, but the number of parameters is different. तो यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है?
function
function overloading.
Function overloading is happening. So in the function circle algo we have three parameters, the center point and the radius. You can see that is going to call the Brassenham's function because it has xc, yc and the radius. So that is how it works. So I'll just execute the code. यहाँ पे 1 दिया, enter. Oh, it got executed fast. Wait 1 second then. I'll give a delay of 100. And I will execute it. Dekha, can you see the circle drawn? Did you all see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So that's how it works. So please go through the algorithm. कुछ doubt है तो मुझे पूछो. Go through the algorithm, see if you have understood.
मैम एक बार दिखाओ ना फिर से, मुझे पीडीएफ दिख रहा था.
अच्छा, तो यहाँ पे देखो फर्स्ट प्रोसीजर क्या है, सेंटर पॉइंट ऑफ द सर्कल x0 y0 एंड रेडियस इनपुट करना है. सो यू विल आस्क द यूजर टू एंटर द सेंटर पॉइंट एंड रेडियस. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे देखो मेन में 109 लाइन देखा, saw the 109 line visible है ना स्क्रीन, कैन यू सी इट? हाँ,
Yes, ma'am.
तो वो पॉइंट कवर किया हमने. फिर क्या किया, x0 को 0 असाइन किया, y0 को r असाइन किया. तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं फंक्शन में x को 0 असाइन किया, y को r किया. देखा लाइन नंबर 36?
Yes, मैम. रन करके दिखाओ मैम, ऐसा बोल रहा हूँ.
अच्छा, रन करके देख रहे हैं.
Yes, ma'am.
देखा? I'll increase the delay a little more.
हाँ इसमें अब दिख रहा है।
देखा?
इसमें
ठीक है? Is it clear?
इसमें
What about others? समझ में आ रही कि नहीं?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next is talking about DDA circle algorithm. तो इनिशियल स्टेप्स तो सेम है, सिर्फ केस 2 में सर्कल एल्गोरिथम कॉल कर रहे और एक एक्स्ट्रा आर्ग्यूमेंट पास कर रहे बिसाइड्स XC, YC एंड R. कैन यू टेल मी व्हाट दिस 15 विल बी? 15 क्या है? पुट पिक्सल में क्या क्या आर्ग्यूमेंट्स लगेगा बता सकते हैं? पुट पिक्सल में क्या क्या आर्ग्यूमेंट्स रहते हैं? Come on students, put pixel यहाँ देखो. What is put pixel? What are the arguments?
Ma'am, X, Y and color name.
Yeah, so color name. तो x, y और रेडियस चाहिए हमें सर्कल के लिए, और यहाँ पे फंक्शन ओवरलोडिंग दिखाने के लिए एक और एक्स्ट्रा पैरामीटर डाला कलर के लिए. तो कलर का वैल्यू में 15 पास कर रहे हैं, तो 15 मीन्स white. Then coming to DD algorithm, see you can see there are 4 arguments, whereas in Bressenham's we put 3. So this shows function overloading because the function, you can see the function name is same. Then what you do, x and y value is initialized to r cos 0 and y value is initialized to r sin 0. So that is the formula. So initially for Bressenham we initialized it to 0 and r. यहाँ पे it is initialized to r into cos 0 and r into sin 0. Cos and sin are mathematical functions, so you will have to include math.h. ठीक है? Then what you are doing, you are going to calculate the value until value becomes less than or equal to less than r. So what is value? 2 raised to I is the value formula, and I is incremented on each iteration. And when the values becomes, until the value is less than r, only this particular for do will be executed. When the value becomes greater than r, this do will exit, and then you calculate the epsilon function. The formula of epsilon function used is 1 divided by 2 raised to I minus 1. So you calculate the epsilon function here, and for to find the x increment and the y increment, the x plus y into epsilon and y minus x into epsilon. That's how the formula goes. And what is x2, y2? x2 and y2 are the next x and y, and x1 and y1 are the previous or the current x and y. So you have to understand that. So once you get the x2, y2 ready, you are plotting the x2 and yc2 along with the center points xc and yc and the color. Understood? And then the next x1 and y1, yes?
मैम
बोलो.
वो x c2 रेज टू एप्सिलॉन होना चाहिए ना y c2 पे इसमें.
yc2 के yc1 minus epsilon into xc2.
ओके ओके ओके.
ठीक है? एंड उसके बाद पिक्सल प्लॉट किया, एंड अभी x1 y1 will become the x2 y2 and we will find for the next x2 y2. तो ऐसे कंटिन्यूस होगा प्रोसेस until y minus the previous x. यहाँ sx xy हमने स्टोर करके रखा है जो हमारा x1 y1 था इनिशियल, उस माइनस y if it is less than epsilon or sx minus x1 If it is greater than epsilon, then only these steps will be executed. So this will go iteratively done. This is as per the algorithm, and once it is completed, your circle will be done. So if you run this code, enter किया, तो you can see the circle getting drawn. देखा? Yes? Have you seen it?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके तो यहाँ पे हर एक पॉइंट प्रीवियस पॉइंट के हिसाब से कैलकुलेट होता है. दैट इज वाई वी आर प्लॉटिंग पॉइंट बाय पॉइंट. वी आर नॉट टेकिंग सिमेट्रिक पॉइंट हियर. वी आर प्लॉटिंग पॉइंट बाय पॉइंट बेस्ड ऑन द प्रीवियस पॉइंट. So this is how DDA circle drawing algorithm works. देखो, any doubts? You should remember the algorithm because algorithm हम यहाँ पे direct translation करते हैं. So you all should be thorough with the algorithm. Is it clear? कुछ doubt है? Have you all understood this? So based on the problem statement, you can see we have used a C++ program to draw a circle using DD and Bresenham's algorithm. We have inherited the pixel class because pixel contains x and y, that has been inherited, and we have used function overloading. Both the circle drawing algorithm has the same function name, but the number of parameters are different. Is it clear? Clear? Okay. Now, if the circle has to be drawn with center 0, 0 and radius 10, what will be the initial decision parameter? Initial decision parameter का फॉर्मूला क्या है?
ऑप्शन डी मैम.
3 minus 2r. तो कैसे होगा? 3 minus 2 into r. So 2 into r is what? 20. 3 minus 20 क्या है आंसर?
-17.
Minus 17. Now, if the circle has to be drawn with center 0, 0 and radius 10, then which point will be plotted up after 0, 10? 0, 10 के बाद कौन सा point plot होगा? If the circle has to be drawn with center 0, 0 and radius 10, तो first point तो 0, 10 है. फिर 3 minus 2r क्या होगा? Minus 17 है. So 17 is lesser than 0. That means x will be incremented and y will be? What is going to happen? यहाँ पे है pk less than 0 है तो x will be incremented and y will remain the same. तो what is the next point? हाँ?
B
1,
option.
10. Yeah. And if the circle has to be drawn with the center 0, 0 and radius 10, which point will be plotted after 2, 10?
3, 10.
Checked it out? Is it sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The center of circle 0, 0. First point is 0, 10. What is the radius of the circle? फर्स्ट पॉइंट प्लॉट किया है 0, 10. तो रेडियस क्या होगा?
10.
Yes, somebody said it. फर्स्ट पॉइंट क्या होगा? x is equal to 0 and y is equal to r. तो y क्या है यहाँ पे?
10.
10 is the answer. The 8-way symmetry can be performed against any one of the octant. True, false, what is it? Eight-way symmetry can be performed against any one of the octant. True or false or cannot say. एक पॉइंट मिला आपको 2,10, इसका सब ऑक्टेन पॉइंट्स मिल सकते हैं कि नहीं?
Yes, ma'am. True.
So have you all understood?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.